Hello guys, this is Safwan from AxisPro. Today I'm taking you to explain about what is AxisPro. This is the dashboard of AxisPro where you can see all daily updates which is completely customizable. This is an admin view and this is completely customizable according to your needs. And this is completely access control where you can decide what are the things to be seen for each and every employees. You have the complete daily updates here, like what are the transactions made, invoices made, how much is the payment collected, what is the status of each and every transactions, everything you have here. And moving to the sales, we have the reception module from here where we'll be onboarding the clients. For example, we have two methods for onboarding the clients. First of all, we can enter their details manually where we can just input all those information, and the next method is reading the data from the Emirates ID by just clicking a button here, read data from Emirates ID. The information from the Emirates ID will be fetched by AxisPro and will be displayed here, and upon clicking submit, the information will be saved as a customer. And next thing is making an invoice. Making an invoice is made very easy. Why? The AxisPro is integrated with the government portal. You have your counter staff and typist making the transaction in the government side. For example, whether it's a Mohedi or ICP or GDRFA, they just need to make the transaction on the government side. Upon clicking this button, fetch automatically all the transaction. For example, there is a transaction done on the government side, that same transaction will come here. There is no room for error, there is no room for mistake. Everything is made very simple now. By choosing the payment method, if it's at the sale, they can just choose the payment method, whether it's customer card or center card. Just by clicking it, select the services and process the invoice. Now the invoice is made. You can just print the sales invoice from here, and this template is completely customizable. You can give your company name, the details, everything, and this will be customized according to your needs. And now we have the reporting section. The reporting section is made very much simple for everyone to understand it very easily. Like this is the service report. Here you have all the information that is collected while invoicing. And the best thing about this is we have a custom report menu here where we can select the tables, the items on the tables. So whenever you can need it, you can customize a report and build a custom report from the system itself. Like you can select what are the information that you want on that report and what are the filters that you want on report, and just click save as a new report. It will be saved as a new report here. And we have plenty of other reports also, like employee wise sales report, customer wise sales report, the service wise report, category wise report, and all sort of reports you have it here. And when it comes to major financial things like the profit and loss drill down, the balance sheet drill down, you can drill down till that transaction. You can view that transaction over here. And when it comes to income also, you can drill down till that transaction, till that invoice, you can drill down in the system. And we have all kinds of reports here, whether it's ledger report, everything we have it here over here. And when we go to the finance, we have the chart of accounts here. You can create the chart of accounts and manage the chart of accounts from here by just right clicking, and can create the subledgers or according. This is completely customizable according to you. And after the chart of accounts, you can make the journal entries from the system from here. And you have the payment voucher option to make the payment vouchers, and receipt voucher and bank transfer from the system itself. And we have the best part in the accounting perspective, that is auto reconciliation. That means your bank statement and system's bank statement. For example, you have Nakudi wallet. You have the statement from the Nakudi wallet and you have a statement in the system from the Nakudi wallet. You can reconcile between both the statements and the system will show you what are the mismatches that you have in the system. That will remove a headache of the accountants easily. And regarding the purchase also, we have all the modules that are needed for the purchase, And let's go to the system setup. We have the access control, nearly 1400 access control. That means the system is completely access controlled. The admin can decide what are the permissions needed for each and every person. And other system settings, the company settings, the user settings, the tax settings, everything is here. And at last, let's go to the HRM software, where you can integrate your attendance or biometric machine with the system and fetch all the attendance data from that system. All the attendance will come here, the check-in, check-out data will come here, and we have the employee profile over here, where you can see all the details of each and every employees, including their job and pay, their leaves, their remaining leave, their taken leave, if they have taken, for how many days, on the taken date, everything you can see here. You can upload the documents of that employees. Whenever it's going to expire, you will get a notification, and each and every employee can see their attendance, their shift, everything over here. And we have many more functionalities in the HR part, like you can add multiple companies, multiple working companies, visa companies. You can add multiple shifts and manage those shifts, everything in a weekly, monthly or daily basis. You can assign the shift to all your employees, and the HR can just relax. And we have the leave adjustment. If you want to adjust any leaves due to some request or anything, you can adjust it here. And we have the employee self-service portal also. Each and every employee will have a username and password to log in the HR system, and they can request for leaves, annual leave or any leave, and it will go to a hierarchy which we have set. That means we will be setting a hierarchy where, for example, if a typist need to apply for a leave, it will go to the next person. For example, that is managed here, leave request. At stage first, to whom it should go. At stage group, to whom it should go. Everything, like they can approve. If the stage 1 approve, it will go to stage 2. That's how the process works. So there are many more things in AxisPro which I have to explain. So stay tuned with the updates. We will be keeping posting each and every module's detail. Thank you. Have a nice day.